Hi guys! Bagong gising yan? Di naman, kanina pa uwising. Pero, ayun na nga. So today, we're going to check out the new EP release ng BINI. So, kagabi, napakinggan na natin siya. May pasalubong. Ayan na, may EP salubong sa X-Spaces with BINI. And, ang lala, ang chaotic. So, hindi ko masyado ganun napakinggan yung songs nila. Pero, on loop naman sa playlist ko. So, yeah. Right now, today, we're going to check out the lyrics video dito sa official BINI_PH. So, let's go.
So bago natin simulan ang reaction video na to, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Taste the Chill ng Nescafe because I love the coffee ice. Hey! So, nilagyan ko ng ice para maging iced coffee. Kaya itry nyo na ang iced cappuccino sa mainit na panahon para lahat tayo ay pagkakalamig. Hey!
Let's go. Let's listen to Blink Twice. It's my favorite. And of course, paulit-ulit yung music video niya. Pero let's go for the official lyrics video.
I heard you like confidence.
Well, I got a lot of it. So baby, use common sense. Just don't be anonymous.
I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine.
Let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside you where you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you let me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
If you let me blink twice, he's not even
Thinking about me.
maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy.
Mika Lim yan.
Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
Ah.
At the spot, baby,
Yes, Gwenny.
ready or not,
Astig ka.
don't you leave me waiting.
I'm lost inside you where you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do.
If you like me blink twice, are you naughty or nice?
Maybe add a little spice.
If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
If you like me blink twice,
He's not even thinking about me.
maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me? I really love the part of Aya. I like her voice. Sing with Mika Lim. Mikaya ka ba? Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. Let me give you some advice.
If you like me blink twice, He's not even thinking.
Choreo ni Jo dito. Grabe yun.
Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me.
May katunog. Song of the Year.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Maybe he's just looking at me. I really like it. Personally, I love it. That's my favorite. So next, yung Zero Pressure official lyrics video. Let's go. BINI.
Heaven knows it falls from nature.
Can opener talaga si Staku, no?
Cane. I'll take it down without a chaser. So everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the
Ang ganda, Mika Lim. So bap. The beat though. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds.
Ain't no one gonna give it to ya. Gotta grab it before it goes. Even if it falls to ruins, oh, I'll never give in to love. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change.
Ang ganda! Ang sarap sa tenga ng boses mo, Mika Lim. Never hold back. Dahiran. Zero pressure. Zero pressure. Zero diamonds. Nag-flex pa siya. Zero pressure, zero diamond. Wait. Pinaka. Give a little extra. Ooh, ooh. I really love the music of Beanie. Wow. Zero diamonds. That was nice. That was nice. Zero pressure. Zero diamonds. Hey! Nice one. So, ang third song natin is Secrets feat. EAJ. Nice one. So, wow. May kakolab sila dito. So, napakagaling girls. Congratulations. Sana more collaboration sa other international artists natin. Grabe, nakaka-proud kayo, Beanie. So, let's go. Pakinggan na natin ang Secrets. Isa rin to sa gusto ko. Lahat naman gusto ko. So, ewan ko. Later lang tayo mag-rank. Secrets.
Something's up, I can see it written on your face, you know. What's it now, what you thinking, wondering why you can't let it go. Lately you can get it off your mind. Don't know what you're feeling, it's not enough.
Alam na alam ko boses ng bias ko.
Oh, I don't seem to get you out. Are you hiding something from me, baby? Ooh, oh. Tell it all to me now. Tell it all to me now. Ooh, I wanna show you this you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear you.
Trust me, boy. Promise I will keep them. Yes, EAJ.
Is it all because of the past that you had? Is it why you cannot talk to me? Just can't think of no reasons. Just to let you know you're safe for me.
Alam niyo yun? 8 girls tapos may boses na kakolab nila. Wow.
Ooh, I wanna show you that you can.
Tell me your secrets. Tell me all your secrets. Tell me all your secrets. I love that. Promise I will keep them. Hey. Yung girl! Grabe talaga. Napakagaling talaga. Maloy. Hey, the harmonies. Wow, the harmonies. Tell me, boy. Oh, wow, that was nice.
Nice.
Ang ganda rin ng secrets. Parang pwede mo siyang pakinggan habang nagkakape sa beach. Huh? Pang senti, hindi ko alam bakit ganun. Basta parang pag mag-road trip ka, di ba? Ang ganda. Wow. So, additional yan sa playlist ko. So, let's go sa fourth songs natin. Grabe. Ito, actually, this is one of my favorite. Actually, siya yung sumunod sa Blink Twice, Out of My Head. Grabe, I really love the beat and, of course, yung rap ni Aya, Gwen, Stacy, and Mika. Grabe yun. Yun yung kumuha sa akin. Kaya, I'm so excited na makita yung lyrics, yung mga pinagrarap nila. So, ayan. I like also this song, sobra. So, parang, ito yung top sa 3 bago na napakinggan ko. Huh? So, let's go. Pakinggan natin siya. B-I-N-I. Let's go. Dua Lipa. Sabi ng girls yan, kagabi. Boses ni Mika Lim, grabe, ang sarap sa tenga. Don't think too much.
It's just a simple question to fall in love. Out of my head.
Joanna! I love that.
Can't seem to find the You're making me blind, keeping me up at night.
Hey!
Know which way to go. Heart's lost all control. Sometimes what's scary is worth all the pain.
Let's go, Aya.
Building like diamonds, I'll be the queen of all of our islands. Be real, be true, be
Gwenny.
Be love, can do no wrong. Don't overthink, don't stand on the edge. Much better when you're off the ledge. Hey, wanna take time, wanna figure things out.
Parang si Mika yun. Hala. Stacy to. This is Mika. Tama ko, si Gwen nga yun. The clock is still talking. The clock is talking.
It's just a simple
The vibes. Parang no fear. Yung vibes niya. Seems to find. You're making me blind. Out of my head. OA, sobrang OA.
Can't help how you race through my mind and fill my dreams with the sweetest desires. Didn't think I'd fall in love this way. It's crazy how you make me say, out of my head.
Wow, I love that.
Can't seem to find
Seems to find.
the path ahead.
The vibes. Wow. Another pang road trip to. Mapapasayaw ka talaga sa mga songs ng Beanie. Kaya minsan habang nagdadrive ako, gumaganon-ganon tayo. Ay, tapos na pala ang dal-dal ko. So, wow. I love that. I love that. I love it. One of my favorite song na. Okay. So, let's go naman sa Cherry on Top, Beanie Mo remix with Agnes Mo. I like this collab din. Especially yung, syempre, part ni Agnes Mo kasi nagdagdag ng kagandahan sa music ng Cherry on Top. And, of course, yung Tagalog rap ni Mika Lim. I love it. Kinapisado ko yun eh. So, let's go. Let's hit it. It's good na nilagay nila to sa EP.
My presence is a present.
Kailangan mapakinggan to ng International Blooms. Hindi pwedeng mawala sa album.
Cause you never get enough. Every day celebrate. You're with me.
You're with me.
Every day.
It's your body on repeat, body on repeat, yeah.
If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If
Sumayaw.
spice, I can turn the heat up.
Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top.
Cherry on top. Honey, you're with me. Got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the cake.
Better know what you got.
The cherry on top.
Let's go, Agnes Mo.
No crumbs on. Every time I come around, boys wanna celebrate. I got you making a wish. Ribbons and bows, I'm a gift. Dreaming on my cherry lips. Yummy, yummy, yum. Ooh, I got a little something for ya. Ooh, I got what you like. Ooh, I got a little
Something for ya.
my.
Cherry, I'm so very rainbow colored candy. Glitchy glamour, dripping drama, I'm just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Nakuha ka sa aking tingin, kala mo di ko mapapansin. Nakaabang bawat galaw, magsasayaw. Sumabay ka sa indak, matay kumikislap. Lahat malinaw na, hindi ako tulad ng iba. Kakamali ka pa dun ha. Huwag mong pahiyain yung bias mo. Every day. If you want a sweet, got sugar on that.
If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up.
Baby, I'm the cake, gotta know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sweet, frosty as I can be. Baby, I'm the cake, gotta know what you got.
I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y.
Good ingredients are hard to find.
C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try. If you want
Baliktad.
sugar on lock.
what you got. Malo yun eh. Galing. Oh, that was perfect. Cherry on top. So, syempre, hindi matatapos tong video na to na hindi natin pinapanood yung music video ng Blink Twice. Ilang beses ko na ito napanood pero panonoorin ulit natin. And I also have reaction video nung premiere. Kaya, check it out on this channel. Hala, kala mo lang nag-promote. Pero, let's go because I really love Blink Twice. They're so beautiful. The outfits. Bining-bini. Shout out sa mga designers. Especially kay Tita Aika Villanueva. Ha? Close kayo? Stop po! Napakaganda mo. Ang bilis rin, hindi ko masabayan. Makukuha rin kita. With it! Ayas boys.
Like that, if you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you tryna roll the dice.
Abangan nyo rin pala yung practice dance cover ko neto. Akala mo dancer, hindi pa ako dancer. Isang hamak na fan ako ng Beanie. Isang hamak na Bloom na mahal ang walo. Ay, nagra-rap na si Mika Lim. The spot. You ready or not? Gwenny. Kuwang-kuha ko ni Colette dito yung cowboy hat niya. Colette! Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice, He's not even thinking about me. Oh my gosh, Taco, I love your pink cowboy hat. Oh, Ling Ling, Paning, and Honey. I love it. Sorry, Aya. Ang ganda ni Joanna talaga. If you like me.
Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice.
If you like me, blink twice, Baby, he's just looking at me. Ang ganda ni Aya. Colette. The eyes daw. Maybe he's just looking at me. Sino, Mika? Who's looking at you? Uy! Tigilan na nga natin to. So, that's it, guys. Pinakinggan natin lahat ng songs sa new EP ng Beanie. I'm so happy kasi may new songs sila. And, of course, new music in my ears. I love it. And super bop talaga. Napagaling talaga ng Beanie. And congratulations din po sa lahat ng nag-produce, mga nagsulat ng kanta nila. And of course, sa Beanie itself for this new EP album. So, buy na kayo sa ABS-CBN store. Wala, nag-promote. Lahat na lang talaga, no? So, ayun guys. So, I'm so happy na we have new music. And I can't wait as a Bloom. I cannot wait to watch them to perform this live. So, let's go guys. That's all. Thank you so much. Please hit like button and subscribe. Bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo. Pero ako, zero pressure. Wala naman po pressure. Basta trip ko lang po siyang gawin dahil I'm so a fan of Beanie and tuwang-tuwa ako sa kanya. So, I just wanna record all of this na, wow, at this like is nandito ako with Beanie. Hala, yun lang, dami ko sinasabi. So, thank you, Sini. See you on my next reaction video from nonchalant to OA. Nonchalant ako mayayain ako pero pagdating sa Beanie, sobrang OA. Yun lang, bye-bye, good night.